In this video, I'm going to walk you around Ionic's V4 Reach and Wash system. I'm going to explain some of the features and benefits and show you how to operate it and show you how quick and easy it is to replace filters. Let's get started with an overview of the system. The first thing that strikes you is how little floor space is taking up. There's plenty of room here for other things you may have, both for work and for personal use. There's room behind the unit as well. Now let's stand back and admire this machine for its professional and purposeful look. Now that screams quality. No need for loud colours, fancy names and logos. When your customers see this machine in your van, they'll know that they're dealing with a professional and that your prices are justified. A machine like this sends the message loud and clear that you're a dedicated professional who cares about quality, presentation, and that bodes well for the service that you provide. The control panel is here and it's angled at a position that's comfortable for easy reach. You'll find all the controls and other things that require easy access mounted here. This is the top of the line Fusion model with auto flush and ROMs. This model has mains powered boost pump for rapid tank filling and long life, high pressure stainless steel filter housings. Here, there are two 12 volt 100 psi pumps for controlled pure water delivery, mounted horizontally below where they're protected from water ingress. These are the latest waterproof design and both flow on and off can be remotely controlled as well as changed through the control panel. Adjacent to the control panel at floor level is the 12 volt battery and smart charger. Each circuit is fuse protected and the fuses are easily accessed on the control panel. All V4s come with a perfect baffle tank system. For further information, see the video in the link. There's a convenient sight gauge here on the side and a tank vent and float switch on the top to shut the machine down once the tank is full. As I said earlier, this is a top-of-the-line V4 Fusion. However, there are other V4 models available in a number of affordable specifications, including a simple delivery system with no filtration at all. All V4 machines fitted by Ionic come with an FMV SS208 crash test certificate as standard. Ask your dealer for more information. On this machine, auto flush is activated at the beginning of each fill when standing water in the filters is flushed through to drain. Then for 2 minutes at hourly intervals, the RO filter flushes automatically as part of a self-cleaning process. Perhaps the best feature of this machine is ROMs, unique to Ionic systems. ROMs, a reverse osmosis maintenance system, automatically replaces unfiltered tap water in the RO with pure RO and DI water drawn from the tank. Leaving the RO to bathe in pure water between fills is the best way to keep it from fouling. Bear in mind that replacement RO membranes are expensive. By maintaining the RO in an as-new condition, not only is excellent water quality maintained, but RO and DI running costs are significantly reduced. I'd like to walk you through the fill procedure, but first let's talk about the filters and explain quickly the job they do as well as when and how to change them. The first is a carbon filter. Ionic carbon filters use the highest grade dustless coconut husk carbon with a significantly higher capacity to remove chlorine than off-the-shelf drinking water carbon filters used by others. Refer to the user manual for replacement intervals specified for your area. The second is a 1 micron filter. It's a sediment filter that traps particulates larger than 1 micron. These perform significantly better than 5 micron filters and protect the RO from premature fouling. These sediment filters are inexpensive and they should be changed at roughly 6 monthly intervals. The third does most of the work, and that mechanically removes up to 99% of dissolved solids in tap water by just flushing them to drain. The remaining permeate goes through the DI filter, the fourth and final polishing filter, to achieve a superior water quality. This machine also features a recirculation system for the water to make multiple passes through the DI to bring the water close to 0 parts per billion quality. For optimum performance, the DI filter should be replaced when readings of around 1 part per million or more are seen on the built-in TDS monitor. Let's position the van so I can show you just how quick and easy it is to replace filters and connect the V4 to water and electricity. So to replace this filter, first of all we're going to remove the John Guest fitting from the top and bottom. That just easily comes away there. And the same from the top. And then the unit just comes away. positioning it over a drain is a good idea. And then I'm going to use this same key ring to take off this snap ring. There's a circle there which lets us pull out the snap ring. This one's come away quite easily this time. And we can take the cap off. Easy to do this by putting your hand over the side, pulling it to one side. These can be quite tight. There we go. Inside, we can remove that if we want to. We can see the filter. We can pull that all out, swap that over for a new one. Fitting new filter is exactly the same, but in reverse, and all filters are changed in the same way. Now let's see just how simple and easy it is to connect the V4 to water and electricity for easy filling with ultra pure water. It's always best to connect your water supply up first. Because I'm in a hard water area, I'm going to connect an Ionic Systems inline water softener. And I'm going to connect up the waste to drain. There's more information about water softeners in the link, and there are maps on the website so you can see whether or not you're in a hard or soft water area in your country. If you're lucky enough to be in a soft water area, then there's no need to use a water softener. Next, connect the mains electric cable to an RCD protected supply, and always route cables and hoses so as not to cause a trip hazard. With the connections made, press the fill switch. All other functions are automatic, and the filling process will stop automatically when the tank is full. Depending on the pressure and the temperature of the incoming water supply, this 1,000 litre tank can be filled from empty in less than 4 hours. When the tank is full, the water supply may be disconnected. It's wise to leave the electricity supply connected for longer periods, but only when a large capacity battery and charger have been selected from the options list. For window cleaning, the two 12-volt pumps are operated by these smart controllers that can be operated remotely. There's more information about that and how to clean windows professionally in the window cleaning video in the link. People often ask whether it's possible to fill the system on site and clean windows at the same time. The answer, of course, is yes. However, it's not wise to do this if you plan to be on site for more than a few hours. Otherwise, you won't benefit from all of the automation features. Regular overnight filling is always best. There's lots more details in the user manual, and Ionic have an online troubleshooting guide including how-to videos in different languages to help users get the best from their reach and wash systems. This video has been brought to you by Ionic Systems and the British Window Cleaning Academy. This is one in a series of short films to help you grow a successful window cleaning business. If you like this video and you found this content useful and you'd like to receive notifications of when we release similar content, then please hit the subscribe button. And if you like it, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching.